In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a perfect circle with the ellipse tool in Photoshop. We're going to keep this simple and clean so you can confidently create a crisp, scalable circle every time. Start by choosing the ellipse tool from the toolbar. The shortcut is U on your keyboard, which is a quick way to cycle through the shape tools. If you don't immediately see the ellipse icon, it's usually grouped with the rectangle and other shape tools. Just click and hold on the shape tool in the toolbar to reveal the ellipse tool, then select it. With the ellipse tool active, look up to the top options bar and set the mode to shape. This is important. Shape mode creates a vector shape layer, which means your circle will stay sharp at any size and you can easily change its appearance later. If you happen to see the mode set to path or pixels, switch it to shape before you draw. Now let's draw the circle. Move your cursor to the canvas, click and drag to begin the ellipse. To constrain it into a perfect circle, hold the Shift key while you drag. Keep Shift held down the entire time you're dragging and release your mouse before you release Shift. That small habit helps make sure the circle stays perfectly proportioned. Position your starting point where you want the circle to appear and drag until it's the size you need. Once your circle is in place, it's time to style it. In the options bar at the top, adjust the fill and stroke. Fill controls the interior color of your circle. Click the fill swatch to choose a solid color, a gradient, or even set it to none if you want a hollow circle. Stroke controls the outline. Click the stroke swatch to pick a color for the edge. Right next to it, you'll find controls for the stroke's thickness and style, so you can make the outline thin and subtle or bold and prominent depending on your design. If you don't want an outline at all, set the stroke to none. If you want only an outline with no interior color, set fill to none and keep the stroke active. That's the whole workflow. Select the ellipse tool, switch the mode to shape, hold Shift while dragging to get a perfect circle, and then tailor the fill and stroke in the options bar to match your design. Because it's a vector shape, you can scale it freely and tweak the styling at any time without losing quality. You're all set to create clean